We're getting pets. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. WoW's back. WoW's back for me. Hunters are back. In this video, we're going to be discussing the new Hunter changes taking place in patch 11.1 of the War Within in World of Warcraft. More specifically towards the pack leader talent changes and the visual effects that they're adding in, with also BM, Survival and Hunter changes as well. So this is a big one because we've been waiting for this for a long time, so I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so there's going to be a new zone, new raid. I never get invited to raids, man. Solo play. Solo play with that guild is sad, man, but we'll see. New dungeon, Operation Floodgate. Oh, nice. They're releasing actual new dungeons. I don't know if they've done that before. Drive, new dells. Okay, that's season 2, right? So, okay, so, but they haven't mentioned class changes and stuff. Is that confirmed? I think that's confirmed, right? It's confirmed, no? Okay, so we got the new zone here. Look, all this stuff, I'll read this in a second. I need to see where the class... Yo, Zalatath story. New dungeon, yada, yada, yada. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, dells. Flip. Role-based tier sets. What? So if you're a healer, you got a healer tier set. That was already the case, no? That just confused me. I will see that in a second as well. Where's the class stuff? Well, we'll have to read this writer impression because I can't seem to find anything else on that basis. But I'm sure this will be calm, no? This will be alright. By good old Wowhead. Is there no actually someone who did it? Oh my god, there's quite a few. Well, pick up Wowhead. This fight is strong in theme and fantasy. Alright, eventually, yeah. Unevolving so far in the War Within. Overhaul, nice. Weak indeed, very weak. Cool talents in the rework. Blizzard did a fantastic, great job. I'm getting too excited for myself here. Great job. Flavorful, not clutter. Very excited. Okay. 4 balls in a row and never seen one of it. This isn't the one who achieve. Right, so different pets get different stats. Right. Wow, they've done a lot of stuff. Get me in a PTR. Let's go check it, man. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in. Faster download. We're here. Oh, I got a template. I made an evoker because apparently you can do that now. How far behind am I? But we're here. So, my god, is it me or is the music going crazy? What?
From the moment the dark tide.
Pat leader, right? So we got Pat leader here. I'm trying to see what visually. Bears periodic damage. Wait. So am I summoning in different animals? Yeah, is that pretty much what's happening? Let me see. I'll hit a barb shot. Go command. Oh, there's another pet there. Multi shot. Go command. Go command doesn't necessarily spawn a pet in. Oh. But I'd be spawning with a squid in. Oh, go command again, spawn another one. Yeah, I've got so many pets running around. I received the new crows. I know that changed. There's a boar? What? There's boars. There's another pet I just dashed out there as well. That's insane. My diabetes. With the old barb shot as well. There's a bear. That's the bear in the hero talent, right? So that's giving me what? Bonus? Murder of crows. You will soon be able to summon the aid of a beast. Diabetes or Fenris attacks. Wow, we are summoning pets. Is that what we've summoned? Is that what we've changed? I mean, is that the change? That's a lot going on, man, which I guess is a good thing, right? Because Pat Leader before had nothing going on. So every time I take it, the next kill command summons the aid of a beast. Oh, okay, so that's what it was. If I kill command again in 5 seconds, also the cooldown goes down with what? Cobra shot? No. Bang, another one comes in. Oh, that is sick. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's big good. That's dubs. Oh my god, I'm summoning pets. And my kill command's gonna summon one soon again. 3, 2, 1, another one. There we go. This is looking nice. This is looking nice. So then obviously you got dire summon, so kill command and cobra shot reduces that, yeah. Swing a beast reduces the cooldown wild shot by 18. Bro, this is gonna flow so well. They're doing good with this. Oh, so I can get loads of beasts. Wait a second, let me see this. Wait, let everything reset. Yo, wait, we're looking good now, man. We're looking good. So I'm summoning a boar. Okay, so let's just say kill command. Got a boar there. What do you say? Right, boar just keeps on coming in. That's nice. Cobra shots go to 3 people. That's pretty nice with that stack. So in 2 seconds, I summon another one. Another pet. Pressure Wrath. Summon another pet. Insane. Then we got good old dire beast as well. We're getting pets. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. WoW's back. WoW's back for me. Hunters are back. Hunters are back. Beastmaster Hunters. Man, we here for visual stuff, man. Okay, so it's the exact same for survival as well. There it is. Kill command. I totally forgot to play survival. Fire bombs, whatever. Work every single ability that I have. I'm trying to look at the bottom. So the boar's there. That's pretty sick. I totally forgot to play survival, but I guess visually it's not really a survival talent. We got 2 pets. The bear and the gorilla, they look exactly the same. But it is more of a Beastmaster talent, it appears. I'm trying to pick whatever can let me see the visual changes quicker. Go in and just pop that so I can press into. Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. But BM is bad. What, there's a marksman rework? Oh man. I don't know about marksman, bro. Dark Ranger. How does that do? Aim shot. Wait, am I still? Has this changed? Has this changed? It looks and plays the exact same. Wait, what? Have I missed something? That's Lust. Pretty cool. Didn't even have this on the board. You know me. I guess, where's the visual effects and stuff? Am I bugging? What do you get from this talent? Nah, Beastmaster is my go-to, man. That's looking like the one. What have they changed in this? Am I doing something completely wrong? Someone's gonna have to tell me. Ah, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Marksman, we'll see that when the time comes. But Beast Mastery, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that, man. I'm gonna have to start. I'll be able to read chat all the time. Playing Beast Mastery. Oh, didn't come back. Oh wow, I'm thinking about comeback. Right. Okay. So they've changed like. Oh. Okay. So they've changed abilities. Class fantasy, pet list. So you got your little bird. Got its own lust and whatnot. Got 2 target cleave. Okay. Yep. So you lose trick shots though. Yeah. I mean, it's good, I guess. I've not really been that fascinated by marksman in general. Even when it was good, I've just always been into beast mastery. But fair enough, a bit of changes to the talent trees. I guess it's good that they don't have a pet, man. Everyone's been using the one when you don't have a pet and you get the extra damage anyway. So it's just better to keep it like this. I know people probably want pets, but that's what you got beast mastery, man. That's what you got beast. Blizzard is saving hunters. Let's go. Are we making a comeback? We're gonna make a comeback. Come on, man. Make us S tier, bro. Blizzard actually care for us. They care for us. Who would have known? They care for hunters. They love us. They secretly love us. I know everyone thinks it's mages, but we're climbing.